Seen by Indeed is where tech meets talent. Our marketplace connects leading brands and rising startups to over 100,000 tech candidates. And with Seen's matching technology and time-saving automation, you'll spend less time searching and more time connecting to the right people. Here's how it works. Tell us who you need. The secret to saving time sourcing? Just add your jobs. Tell us about who your hiring manager is looking for. The role, must-have and nice-to-have skills, years of experience, salary expectations, and more. You'll save hours in sourcing time by adding your job in seconds. You can auto-import your jobs from Indeed or add job criteria manually. Sit back while Seen finds you the right match. After you add your job on Seen, we'll instantly match you to candidates who meet your job criteria. Plus, Seen is constantly sourcing new candidates that meet your needs from Indeed's hundreds of millions of visitors, and through a strong referral network and best-in-class ambassador ecosystem. You can narrow or broaden your matching candidates pool with easy-to-use filters. Learn more about your matching candidates on their profile pages. Dive deep into their location and salary preferences, work history, and find links to their portfolios. Start a conversation in seconds using your outreach templates or by crafting a custom message. With higher than average response rates, you can build a healthy pipeline in no time. With our Fast Match feature, you'll save even more time when we promote your job to matching candidates, gauge their interest, and add interested candidates directly to your pipeline. Over 50% of screens are automatically sourced by Seen. Skip the scheduling hassle. Once a candidate says they're interested in your job, you'll not only get full access to their resume and contact details, but with calendar integration, you can schedule a screen in just one click. Keep track of your pipeline. Stay organized and manage candidates from high to hired in your Candidates tab. Track candidates in whatever stage they're in, from your first conversation to your final interviews. Less time sourcing and scheduling? More time for you to focus on talking to the right candidates and getting the perfect ones for your roles. Seen by Indeed.